This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Place chocks each side of the front wheel diagonally opposite to the wheel being removed. Using the special anti-theft wheel bolt adapter where necessary, slacken each of the wheel nuts half a turn. Position the jack head under the reinforced section of the sill flange, then raise the vehicle until the wheel is clear of the ground. Support the vehicle with an axle stand under the reinforced section of the sill flange. Fully unscrew the wheel nuts and remove the wheel. Undo and remove the two bolts securing the upper end of the shock absorber to the vehicle body. Slacken and remove the bolts securing the lower end of the shock absorbers to the hub carrier. Note that the washer is integral with the bolt. Withdraw the shock absorber from the wheel arch. Holding the piston rod stationary with an adjustable spanner, undo the retaining nut and pull the upper mounting from the shock absorber. Locate the upper mounting over the piston rod on the new shock absorber, then fit the new upper mounting nut, hold the piston rod stationary, and tighten the nut to the specified torque. Manoeuvre the shock absorber into position, then refit the upper mounting bolts. Align the lower end of the shock absorber with the hub carrier. Then insert the mounting bolt. Tighten the upper mounting bolts to the specified torque. Tighten the lower mounting bolt to the specified torque. Locate the wheel over the hub studs. Then refit and lightly tighten the wheel nuts. Remove the axle stand and lower the vehicle to the ground. Tighten the wheel nuts to the specified torque. Remove the wheel chocks.